Hey everyone, welcome back to another aBlocks tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add engaging and animated SVG drawings to your website using the aBlocks SVG Draw Block. To get started, first open the section of your website where you want to display the SVG animation. Then go to the block inserter, search for SVG Draw, and insert the aBlocks SVG Draw Block into your page. Once it's in place, we'll walk through how to customize it and bring your SVG graphics to life with smooth drawing animations. Let's jump right in. From the General Icon section, explore the built-in icon library and upload an icon that fits your design. There are plenty of options to choose from. Adjust the icon size as needed. Pick an animation duration for the drawing effect, smooth and engaging. Set the alignment of the icon to left, center, or right based on your layout. Switch to the Style tab and select a stroke color for your icon that matches your site's branding and color palette. Now insert a heading block right below the icon. Adjust the margins for proper spacing. Choose the appropriate HTML tag, like H2 or H3. Align the heading as needed, center it for better focus, or left align for structured layout. Next, insert a paragraph block to give more context or explain the icon. Input your custom text. Fix the alignment. Set the text size to maintain consistency in your design. Once all your customizations are complete, click the Save button to apply the changes. Now preview your page to see the animated SVG icon along with your heading and description, all styled beautifully using the aBlocks SVG Draw Block. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your team. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next aBlocks tutorial.